Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an animated sticker for your WhatsApp. So to do this, you actually need a clip that is actually an MPEG, or you just use your AI sticker maker and animate. But all I did for my video, I went online to search for related clips or related tips that I want, and then I cut it to the perspective or the reaction that I want. For instance, I downloaded this particular video right here. Right, I downloaded this off the internet. This is actually a 1-minute video, and then I made out so many scenes from that video. So let me go back. This is actually the scene I have multiple scenes created already. So I made all of this scene from this original video. So after you might have done that, the next thing to do, after you might have seen the scene that you want to use to create your animated sticker, the next thing to do is to go over to the Google Play Store, and then you search for sticker maker. The one I currently use is Stickerly. So this particular one right here, I already used it on my previous video. So you click on it to have it open. Once you have this open, now to create an animated sticker, you click on this plus icon and then you choose animated. So now if you choose animated, it's going to allow you to choose a recorded or a video. Now which is MPEG. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is this, and you can see how it does. This is actually how I want it. So if you have any other thing you want to trim it a bit further, you can actually trim it by making use of this area to trim out a section that you want. But I think I'm actually okay. I've done this with a different video editing software, and I think I'm satisfied with this. So click on done, and then you can actually decide to use this AI code to cut. That is if you are using the pro version, but for the free version, I am actually okay with this original. So I'm going to click on add right here. So this is going to load up, and now you can decide to add some text to it, and then you can say whichever text you want, and you can change the color to whichever color you want. I think I'm actually okay with this, and you can also make this look more like a caption. You can do anything you want or add this effect to it. Just keep tapping. Okay, this is actually where I'm tapping this place right here. Keep tapping it, and it's going to be changing to what you want. So once you're done, click on done, and then you move it around to the section that you want it. So if you are okay, just click on save to have it saved. If you want to add emoji to it, click on emoji and you add whichever emoji you want. You can also add image if you want to by clicking on image and selecting the image that you want. But I do not want to add any of these, and even this, I'm going to get rid of it. So I'm okay with this. I'm going to click on save. This is going to load up and save for us. So after it has saved, you have to name it. So I'm going to name this Foxy underscore. Okay, I cannot add underscore. Foot. Now let me just leave it as Foxy, and then I'm going to say save. So no thanks, and this is still loading up. So now after I finish loading up, I can put it on the WhatsApp. You notice it says complete. I can now put this on WhatsApp. You can see it's actually loaded, and I can even add more sticker if I want to. Which one did I add? I just added this, so I think I can add this one too, and click done, because yeah, I'm actually okay with it. So click on add, and save. And yes, I want it to be the same place, so I'm going to say save. So it's also going to load up. You can see it's uploading. So once you finish uploading, it's still going to be here. So you can add as many as you want. Once you're done adding, go ahead and click on add to WhatsApp, and you can notice it's still asking to buy. So I am actually okay. So this is being downloaded. Once you finish downloading, it's going to actually update on your WhatsApp, and you can see it on WhatsApp and use it. All right, it has completely downloaded, so now I can do add right here. And do not forget, this actually it says it has added to WhatsApp. Do not forget, this always shows advertisement whenever you are trying to add it to WhatsApp. So you can always skip the advertisement once it's done. So I can come to the sticker area, select my sticker, and then I think this is the Foxy right here, this one. You can notice it's 2. I can actually add more than 2, but the reason why I add 2 is just not to make this video too long. So I can now use the sticker by this, or use it like this. So whichever one you choose, this is your WhatsApp sticker, and I hope it's helpful. So guys, I hope this is helpful enough. If it is, don't forget to smash like. Guys, I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.